Hi everyone, I'm Tyler Hillyard with Urban Timber, and I'm here to bring you Wednesday Wisdom with the woodworking shows. Today we're going to be going over how to fill these troublesome voids and slabs without getting that troublesome stain you can sometimes get, especially from black epoxy. We use a product from Zenzer, Seal Coat Shellac. So what we've done before this was actually sanded the wood to 120 grit using compressed air and a dental pick. Clean out the voids as much as possible. If it is a through void, you do need to tape the bottom side, and you can come up the end grain. And then using a rag, we wipe the shellac over the void. Do a couple coats. It is alcohol based, so it does dry fairly quick for you. Even clear shellac or even clear epoxy can still leave a stain mark. So I highly recommend doing a couple coats regardless. And then once you mix the epoxy up, we use a 30 milliliter syringe here with a needle tip. You're able to put the tip into the void and actually fill the void from the bottom up. If you have a larger void, you might want to do it in 2 or 3 pours. So I'm just going to place it in here and slowly inject it into the void. That way it does fill it from the bottom up. Inevitably, some voids will take a couple pours to do. Cured epoxy does not stick to cured epoxy, so if it does harden on you, you'll need to scratch it more with a dental pick to give it some toothing for that next layer to adhere. The perfect time to actually pour over and it chemically bonds is when you can put your fingerprint into the epoxy, but it doesn't come up on your finger contaminating it. At that point, you can pour over and it'll chemically bond. It'll vary timing wise depending on your environment and the thickness of your pour. So I hope this helps, and good luck woodworking.